Good morning guys and welcome to another vlog. So I'm currently just sitting here editing tomorrow's video. I'm not going to show you exactly what video it is, but I should be going out skateboarding with a couple of you guys. Some guy hit me up with a message and I was like, yeah, I've got like 10-15 minutes. So they should be here. Let's go take like a lap skateboard and then I'm heading out, not exactly sure where. Wow. Kitty's found a new sleeping. You're sleeping.
Yeah, that's dirty.
I know. Kitty, that's not okay. Come out.
That's when people wash themselves.
Come
I
out.
have to give her a shower. I don't care. She's not gonna come in the house.
Okay, I think one of them is here. Alright guys, I'm with Jan. His friends are late. I'm joking. He got here first, obviously. He was official yo-yo squad, you know. He got here the fastest. And we're just gonna do like some laps around the area before I need to go. So yeah, let's go. You ready?
Yeah.
Peace. We're here patrolling the area, so
What
we're
up,
all
guys?
out here.
What's up?
Yo-yo squad for life. This is our area now. He took over. We're just gonna go around.
This is our territory.
Yeah, he says.
Oh yeah.
This one is harder, you know.
Yeah. What up, guys? What's up?
Which one am I riding? Oh, okay, cool. I want this one.
Morning, do you want to use my bike? That's fine.
It's scary, yeah. Alright, we're quickly gonna get my swagway so everyone can have one. You can see who's taking over the road. Alright, I'm slowing down. No, this one is turned up, man. I love music. Down as you knew. Okay, I'm gonna try that, yeah? Okay. No, I swear. Okay, no. Okay, that is sick. You're playing back to back with the Yeezys. I can't even lie. I'm jealous, you know.
I invoked the nuclear warhead.
This ain't what she meant when she told you to open up more. So I'll see you guys later.
Bye.
So I'm home. Let's go take a shower. That was a good workout and I saw some of you, so make sure to follow me on Instagram. And yeah, if I ever do something like this, I will let you guys know. Maybe I'll do something like more public. Who knows? But for now, gonna take a shower and get ready to go out. This is what happens when a girl can't cook. My sister dropped it out of this onto there. Now what do you do?
Oh, food! I'm running so late, man.
Look guys.
How are we gonna eat that? What am I supposed to do?
I told the yo-yo squad I had to go and you're delaying it.
And I'm scared Bubbles is gonna start coming eating this.
That's disgusting.
Mommy, we need oil. I should let you do this.
So this is why I don't let girls cook. This video is gonna be called Girl That Can't Cook. How do you stop it? Turn it off. It's still on.
I don't know.
No, it's still on. It's red.
No, but he can't do anything about that.
And okay, you're gonna go for it again. Please don't ruin it.
Okay. No, I tried to flip it. That's the problem.
Really? Is it too hot? Alright, be careful. Okay, we're actually going to a friend's birthday party.
Dorothy's are with you?
Yeah, she's got the key. Let's go.
Okay.
So yeah, as I was saying, we're actually going to a friend's birthday party. I'm not sure if I can record there. Oh, look at our friend. Who's that behind the Lambo? Kitty cat. I think, what was his name again? I forgot. No, they did name him. I already put a name on him from the vlogs. I can't remember. Toby, that's it. They called him Toby.
It's a girl.
They called him Toby.
Is Toby a girl's name?
No, it's a boy's name. Okay, guys. We need a girl's name, okay? It's a girl. Do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg. So we quickly came to grab a gift before we went off to the birthday. And then we're gonna go. We came to an area called Arabian Ranches, if any of you know about it. But yeah, we'll be done soon.
A small card for this man to write the name of the
Yeah, we could write something.
There's a dinosaur. Alright, we just got our gift, but I'm just messing around with the dinosaur. finally got here. Extreme Fun Kids Play Center. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna stop vlogging. Okay, so we're here at the birthday. I'm not sure how well you can hear me. It's one of our friend's kids, but the cake is so nice. Like, it's this frozen cake. It's delicious. I'm waiting for the food. Yeah, our chairs are like these mini chairs. I'm sitting here, but it's kind of comfortable. But I love the cake. It's so nice. And yeah, that's where we are. Alright, so I'm here with Abby and Lushka. He's my bodyguard. He's huge though. Look at his arms compared to mine.
Really? Stop hogging the camera, Willie. They're all hogging the camera, so yeah.
Great.
Support for this kid. Like this guy. Like, I know you're like a thumbnail shot.
I can do that also, look.
And that is a wrap, guys. Time to go home. We had a nice time with some family friends. And yeah, let's go explore the rest of the world. Alright, let's see what the song is. 0 to 100, catch up.
Is it a new song?
I don't know, I think it's old. Oh my god, it's so dark upstairs. Okay, let's try and turn on some lights. Look at this guy. Do you guys remember when I put this guy here to make it smell good? Nope, can't remember. Moment of truth, guys. Let's open the door and see if there's anyone in there. Coast is clear. Alright, a lot of you might not know, my cats actually only love me because I give them money. You wanna see? So Kitty, she doesn't like me at the moment, you see, she's just sleeping. Alright, now let's see how she reacts to money. Say, oh Mo, I love you. Oh my god.
Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke.
The only thing these cats actually do love is food. Look at this. Wait, no, okay, Bubba doesn't really like it. Kitty might eat it. No, not interested?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she's definitely interested. I want to show you. You see the ball I made? It looks like it's like little crystally salt particles. And you would think that if you threw this on the floor that it would break, but it's absolutely not breaking. Nothing is coming off. It just looks very salty. Like, all right, guys, time to feed. What's his name? I forgot. Oh, damn it. But you guys need to put a female name on her. It was Toby, but we need a female name. Where's Toby? There you go, Toby.
Toby.
No, Toby's not there, his name anymore. It's her name. We need to make a new name, so I'm asking them. Alright, this is no longer Toby. We need a new name. So, name Toby. She's full. Yeah, we feed her so much, she doesn't even want food sometimes. We were planning on going to play some billiards or pool, but we kind of cancelled it. We couldn't be bothered. My sister's moving the car. That's the reason. Cause okay, wait, one sec. Don't run me over. Don't run me over. I'm gonna try and go down. Cause you see the guys I was with today. No. Oh! I got down. What's that? The parking? Yeah, it's good for a girl, I guess. No, I'm joking. It's good. It's good. Oh, okay, car. Swag. It was good. It was perfect. Why'd you move it? No, I was joking. We are on some high-speed patrol trying to catch the tree. Yep, that's what we're going for, tree. Oh, what's up, man? What's up? Oh! Hey, buddy.
Wait, let me take off my shoes.
Alright, here.
There's no glass here.
Imagine.
Okay,
Go for it.
No, come here.
Okay, look.
No, come here. Don't do
What
the
do you
front. No, I
mean?
don't.
Just stand on it normally. Oh, gee. Okay, you look.
No.
Okay, look. I need to let go to video. Alright, go on to your phone. Go on to. Girls are so bad at this. Oh. We're on patrol. We're chasing the suspect. We have a criminal target, female, standing next to a Range Rover. We need immediate backup. You're under arrest for
What's this? I
don't know. It looks like two, yeah, balls type of thing. I don't know. Alright, I don't recommend you try going backwards fast. I almost fell so bad. Time to go inside. This thing is so heavy. I swear it's like 100 kilos. Not really. Mom, help me open the door, please. Let's go. Make sure Bubble and Kitty don't go escape mode on us. Wait, I hear someone behind the door. Oh my god! What are those? World Star, fight World Star. Oh jeez, World Star. Come on, you the man, Bubbles. I put my money on Bubbles to win the fight. Oh. Oh. Oh, take down! The Undertaker has done it again! Come back! Come back! You got beaten! Oh, I feel bad for her now. Alright, time to do a bit of cooking. This ain't really a proper video, we're just doing it for a bit of practice. So yeah, let's go. I don't think I've actually ever made a cake properly. I remember my sister used to do it, like for little school projects and stuff. But this should be fun. We've got some flour, okay, and some baking powder. Alright, I don't even know what I'm going to be using these for, to be honest. Oh my goodness. It is time to cook. 2 eggs. Okay, this didn't break. No. Okay, 1 egg. Oh yeah. 2nd egg. Oh yeah. Best egg breaker in the game. I don't like cooking anymore. Holy moly, look at that, guys. My mom's got like a whole Hoover system for this. It's like a whole mechanical device. Whoa. You broke it. That's pretty cool. That's awesome. Alright, we're all done now. We got our egg. Time to put it. Look, even the cats are like, what the hell are they doing? What is that? Are they making something special? Okay. 1/2 spoon of baking powder. That was more than a half, you cheated. 1/2 cupful, I'm guessing. Ooh. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And then, what else? And then finally, you take the same spoon you put in the baking powder and put 1 spoon of flour. Hashtag professional.
2.
Okay, 2, 3, 4. How many do we need?
5.
Okay, 5.
Okay.
I swear, if this doesn't taste good, I'm telling them, you know. This better be perfect. Okay. Are you trying to give me diabetes here? Finally, to top it all off, you just sprinkle. Okay, let's do it. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle the chocolate onto it.
So making a cake is apparently easier than I thought. Last thing is, I think you're supposed to put butter at the end of your little tray. I'm not too sure why, but that's what my mom did. And then I think you just pour the mixture in and we're just about finished. Alright, let's go and put the cake in the oven to bake, and I'll see you once it's done. Is the oven hot? Now I can't tell you how long to leave it in because I have no idea. Just keep looking. Wait, is it? Oh, I'm scared. Can you see them inside there? They're starting to inflate. Look at them. You can only see it once I stick my thing to it. There you go. Anyway, Bubbles is like, I want some. Okay, so the cake's finished, and this one guy had to take a little detour in his shape. Like, couldn't he just be a normal heart? No, he had to go full forehead on us in the heart. Like, he grew a little head out the heart. I want to taste these. I think they're going to be hot now, so
Yeah.
I'll wait until they cool down. Time to get the weird one out. There always has to be a weird one. He doesn't even come out properly.
Yeah. Something is... No.
No, there you go. He's fairly normal. He's just got a big head. Anyways, I'm gonna end today's vlog. I just had a bite of the cake. It's like a really simple cake, so if you guys want a simple cake, you can try that. But before I finish the cake, I'm gonna have my little snack type of thing at night. But yeah, if you did enjoy today's vlog, smash the like button. I'll see you guys tomorrow with another vlog. Yalla YOLO. Deuces. My sister's downstairs testing the cake. Honest opinion. Dun 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 dun.
Right.
A few moments later.
One moment.
One more bite.
This is nice on Instagram too.
Yeah.